Ever wondered about my setup, my times, or a specific algorithm? Today, we're kicking off a brand new series called Quick and Clear to answer your burning questions right from the comments. First up, a common question: where can I buy the black cube you use for learning algorithms? Well, this isn't the standard cube you can just buy off the shelf. I actually bought two Meilong free MV2 cubes, one black secret and one with colored plastic. I took the stickers from the black one and put them on the colored plastic cube, creating this unique practice cube for FTL and cross. You can find both Meilong free MV2 models online for a great price. They are excellent budget speed cubes. Next question: can you tell me your average time, and do you use CFOP or ZB? My current average is around 15 seconds, with a personal best of 10.43 seconds. And yes, I primarily use the CFOP method. Now, for an interactive moment, what's your average solve time, and which method do you use? Let me know in the comments below. I love seeing how everyone approaches cubing. Next up, a question I saw quite a few times: can you show us a J-perm? You asked, and I'm delivering. There are actually two J-perm cases, JI and JB, while JB is very common. Today we'll tackle the JA-perm, which can sometimes feel a bit tricky or inconvenient to execute, but it's crucial to master. Here's how it looks. The JA-perm algorithm is X, R2, F, R, F prime, R, U2, white R prime, U, white R, U2, X prime. This algorithm involves a rotation, white moves, and accurate finger tricks. It might take some practice to get smooth, but mastering it will definitely improve your times. And that wraps up our first quick and clear episode. We covered my custom Meilong free MV2, my average times, and broke down the J-perm. Thanks for all your fantastic questions. If you enjoyed this quick and clear, hit that like button, subscribe for more speedcubing content, and leave your questions for future episodes in the comments. See you next time. Bye bye.